After we completed the 86 tower for Baptist Hospital, they asked us to help them with their surgical center. This is a really unique roof because it has 8 shingled sections, a unique wall system, and large flat area. This building had also been giving Baptist Hospital a problem, so we worked to address the issues. We applied new shingles totaling 14,000 square feet. The walls especially had been leaking, so we applied a waterproofing primer and then 22,000 square feet of Garland's armor wall panel system to stop the intrusions. We also installed 22,400 square feet of flat roofing. Now, after all that work, there were still some water intrusion issues. We backchecked all of our work and knew that the new roofing and waterproofing wasn't the issue. We narrowed the problem down to improperly sealed glass and helped them find a glass contractor that could solve the problem. We've had a great time working with the Baptist group and look forward to more projects in the future.